So she slept over?
Yeah.
Okay.
For sure.
Akusho kube kumnandi musa.
Mfethu ziyakhipha. Hayi ziyakhipha.
Hayi ngiyabona. Okay, ngimfonela. Hello?
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Njani?
I'm good, thanks. You're speaking to Lee from CMTV. I just want to ask you a few questions if you don't mind. I'm with your partner here.
Okay.
How long have you guys been together?
2 years.
2 years, okay. Is your partner light skin or dark skin?
Sorry?
Is your partner light skin or dark skin?
Light skin.
Okay, when last did you see your partner?
Sorry?
When last did you see your partner? Umone nini umuntu wakho? When last did you see them?
Last week.
Last week, okay. What is his name?
Sorry?
What is your partner's name?
No,
Your partner's name. What is your partner's name?
Sorry?
What is your partner's name? Ligama lomuntu wakho.
Sizwe.
Eh?
Sizwe.
Sizwe.
Hayibo.
Bamba phone.
Hayi. Hey mabhebeza. Uyazi ukhuluma nobani?
Anguza?
Ngithi uyazi ukhuluma nobani?
No.
Ukhuluma nomuntu wakho Sabelo mfethu kwenze kanjani ubani uSizwe? Hayi musukuthi jo ngiyabuza lana ngithi ubani uSizwe ngikuzwa lana bakubuza lana bathi partner ngimhlophe mina uyakubuza ukuthi umuntu wakho unjani wena uthi umpofana ngimhlophe mina.
Baby, like...
Ya musokungibheba ayume kancane wena ngithi ngibani mina ungibiza ngosizwe namhlanje.
Mhlophe.
Uthi ngimhlophe wena.
Yellow bone. Hey.
Ungibiza ngeyellow bone yini bani Sizwe kahle kahle.